Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and guess what I finished? Yep, I finished the shawl. I would have kind of liked it longer, but the thing is that those chains were getting real long. It was getting kind of hard to work with. But I like it. I think my pin goes perfect with it, and it will go great with with black underneath, and it's spooky. And I like spooky, and y'all know that. So I am very happy with my shawl, my spiderweb shawl. This tutorial is by Curious Cuttlefish. I will link the tutorial down below in the description box, along with the participants of hashtag 100 Days of Halloween that I forgot to announce at the very beginning. That's what we're doing. Today is, I don't know what day. I gotta start keeping track. It's supposed to be a countdown, and I'm not counting down. I'm just letting y'all know I've did a video. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so last night we were supposed to watch Warlock. I loved it, y'all. I do not know why I have never... It came out the year I graduated. Why have I never watched that movie? I loved it. And I probably wouldn't have thought of it except for Heather, the crochet witch. She's linked down below anyway. She had talked about the Warlock movie, so I enjoyed it immensely. I will watch it again. Maybe again before Halloween, who knows? But I will watch it again. What did you think, babe?
I thought it was really good. In fact, I like the acting and I like the practical effects. One thing I didn't like was the 90s lingo. It kind of aged the film really badly. But other than that, it was really worth watching. I give it 2 thumbs.
Really aged it, huh? Aged it. I graduated in that year. That's funny. Tonight's
Not what I
movie.
meant. Silly.
Tonight's movie is Warlock the Armageddon, which is Warlock 2. And it is on Freebie also. So there you go. Warlock the Armageddon. Warlock 2 on Freebie is our movie tonight. I love my shawl. Let me know what you've been up to. Have y'all made any Halloween stuff yet? Or anything not Halloween? Or what are you working on when you're watching the movies? Or when you're not watching the movie? What you working on? I guess that's what I'm asking. What are y'all up to? Are y'all excited for fall like I am? Because I wanted to hurry up and get here. I do be loving the fall. Okay, stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.